What is going on, guys? It's your first time seeing my face. Yo, what's up? I'm gonna start showing you guys my face in the recordings a couple of times throughout the recording. The whole Animal Jam part will just be me me playing Animal Jam. You will not see my face in those parts. So yeah. I will just be giving you guys my face in the intros. So let's get started. Okay, so today we are going to go to the arcade and we're gonna try to get coins and gems and stuff. Um, let's just get started with this video. I never told you guys who I am. This is Ansley Plays Animal Jam. I'm Ansley. Um, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I don't know. So yeah, let's just get started with this Animal Jam. Oh no! Okay. Oh yes, I am still here. What is up? Okay, so we are going to go to the arcade. Alright, so the arcade is in Jamma Townmanship. A short way to get to it is clicking here. Okay, don't click here, but once you'll see. Okay, so you hover over Jamma Townmanship, which looks like this. It's kind of in the center of everything. And then once you hover, you'll hover over all of these little things. If you hover over this, click that, it will like kind of light up. And then you get here. This is the arcade. This is where you play games to earn gems or lose gems. We're gonna be playing Best Dress first, so let's just get started. Arctic Wolves are really easy, not easy, but they're really fun to do. In Best Dress, just because, you know, they're different. They're not really different. Everyone these days has Arctic Wolves, but not everyone has an Arctic Wolf. Uh-oh. Okay, no problemo. Okay, so we're just waiting for the next round. Let's just sit here. Okay, most like a leader. Alright, so obviously we're gonna put on a crown because leaders have crowns. Or should we put on this? This crown. We want to put on a spike because spikes are lit. I don't have any spikes, sadly. So if you guys want to gift me spikes, I will give you a huge, like an absolute huge, like the biggest shout out in the world. And comment below. All you have to do is comment below if you gave me a spike and comment your Animal Jam username so I know like exactly who you are. And you will get the biggest shout out. I just want you guys to, yeah. At the end I will give you my, oh, I came in 4th place. Dang. Ugh, rude. So basically, what am I even saying? Oh yeah, in a minute or two I will give you guys my username so you guys can gift me spikes and surprise me. And I'm not begging for spikes, but if you want a shout out from me, and I promise to give everyone that sends me shout outs spike, I mean, I will give you guys back. It might not be the best thing, but I will definitely give you guys back, and I'll give you guys the biggest shout out in the world and give you guys the biggest hug ever. Even if it's just a little wrist thing. Oh, please. And I'm not trying to beg or anything. I promise you guys I'm not trying to beg, but I really want one. Okay? Okay. Gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. This friendship never ends. It's kind of like a long waiting game, you know. Kind of have to wait for a little while. Well, this guy's pretty crazy. And if you vote, okay, so basically, if you don't vote for someone else other than you, you don't get coins. If you wanna be my lover, gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever, 'cause friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with the crew. 'Cause I love you, boo-boo. Okay, dress up the weirdest. So let's see. Let's put some of this on. This on. This. A little bit of this. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Okay, I think I got it. I have not dressed my best. It's not my best. I think everyone else is doing a lot better than I am. Make it last forever, 'cause friendship never ends. Okay, so the weirdest, she lost this time. It goes to this little panda here. You're welcome. I mean, not you're welcome, but she won, and I got in the dark shadows. Wow. If you wanna be my, I got no votes. Okay, most like a warrior. Ta-da. And I'm done. I'm done now. Nope. That's what all you might think, but I'm not done. I'm not done. Actually, I might be done. I might be done. So I made it all kind of match, but it's still a little bit like crazy. Not crazy, but you know, I'm here. You're here. We're all here. Hooray! Hooray! If you wanna be my lover, gotta get with my friends. Wanna be my lover, gotta get with my friends. Oh, she left. She left. Oh, she left. Oh, she left. That means I'm probably gonna get more wins. Hopefully. Nope, that cat's gonna get the win. The one. What? Oh my gosh. I got a win? Wow. I don't know how this is happening. What? That warrior cat did the best. OMG. Ugh. Friendship never ends. Uh, 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 uh. Okay. So we're dressing up like robots? How am I supposed to dress up like a robot? Okay, then that's the best I can do. That's the best I can do. And now the winners. Oh, yep, I got second place this time. Yeah, 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 yeah. Just the most athletic. Oh my god. Okay, so apparently boys, I disagree with this, but a bunch of people say that boys are like more athletic than girls. So I'm gonna be a boy just for, oh, definitely not a boy. I'm gonna be a boy just for these couple seconds. Okay, okay. I'm gonna get, whatever those things are called. Okay, 2, 1, and yeah. Yeah. I'm probably gonna get the win. Not to brag, but I might. I'm probably gonna get the win. No, no, not. Yeah, see, I got third place. What the heck? I think I dressed up the best. Ugh, I'm done with this game. Leave. Yes, leave. Goodbye. Ugh, stupid game. Anyways. Oh, so that concludes my video. Once again, if you guys want to send me spikes, right there is my username. It's right here, Sailor459. It'll also be in the description if I remember to put in the description. Note to editor, put this in the description, aka note to myself because I am a self-editor. Thank you very much. Anyways, so that is the end of this video. What do you guys think of it? Give me feedback in the comments. Once again, if you guys send me a spike, make sure to tell me down below in the comments so I can give you a humongous shout out. I'll shout you out on my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Musical.ly, Animal Jam, YouTube, everywhere. I will shout you out everywhere. And hopefully, also note to editor, put your social medias in the description. I also have a vlog channel. I will also shout you out in the vlog channel. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And to all of you, hugs, kisses, peace.